Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now, pop the hood and secure it, do not delay. Disconnect memory saver if installed. This preserves presets but is optional. First, remove the negative black cable using a 10mm wrench, loosen the nut, wiggle the clamp off, and tuck the cable away to prevent contact. Then remove the positive red cable with the same tool. Be careful to not let a metal tool bridge between positive and chassis. This order reduces spark risk and protects vehicle electronics. Once cables are clear, locate the hold-down clamp at the battery base or front. Use a socket or wrench to remove the clamp bolts. Keep hardware organized for reinstallation. You might need to pry the clamp gently. Be patient. Lift the battery straight up. You may need a second person because 2014 Sierra batteries are heavy. If corrosion is present, neutralize it with a baking soda and water paste, scrub with a brush, rinse, and dry. This prevents poor connections and early failure of a new battery. You set the new battery in the tray with terminals in the same positions. This ensures cable reach and proper routing. Secure the hold-down clamp so the battery cannot shift, then reconnect the positive, red terminal first. Tighten just enough for a solid connection. Next, connect the negative black terminal. Once done, crank the engine to verify operation. If it fails, make sure clamps are tight and clean. Check main fuses and the engine ground strap. A loose ground often mimics a dead battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.